फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपको टुडे आई एम टेलिंग यू हाउ टू चेक या हाउ टू ट्रेस मोबाइल नंबर लोकेशंस. So you have to put it first pip install phone numbers this version, then import pip, then from phone numbers import geocoder, carrier, and then time zone. So 3 files will have to import, and then just take after number which you want to trace, enter your contact number, okay, number with country code. So after that you have to put your PH number, phone number. So phone number dot parse your number, then after that you have to use time equals to time zone dot times for time zones for numbers, and then your PH number, okay, so PH number, sorry, phone number, then variable we are parsing along with numbers, so PH number, okay. So after that we are using our here some the carrier. So carrier dot name for numbers, okay, name for number, then PH number, then English, then you can use your registration, okay. So geocoder dot description for numbers, then PH number, comma, English, then close. So time carrier, and then print PH number, okay, PH number, then print CARRI carrier, then print time, sorry, time is here, okay, now, and one is print number, okay. So I'll just Control S, save this program file, PH number, save, then execute. Once I execute this file, I'll show you output. My number I won't show you, so I am just put it our country code and my number, then after that we get output. So friends, this is the output of my code, and just I'm showing my number. That's not good. Okay, so this is not my number necessarily, but this is unknown number. Okay, no issue. So you can see that this will be okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.